This is possibly the best multi-tool you can ever get. Let me introduce you to the Crank Brothers F15 multi-tool. This multi-tool has everything you could ever want. On one side, it has every hex wrench from 2mm all the way up to 8mm. It also has a T25 for bolts with torque spittings that are more and more popular these days. The tool also comes with flat and Phillips head screwdrivers for the derailleurs. On the other side comes a very important tool for the chain. The chain breaker on this tool is compatible with all speeds, including 12-speed. The pin is driven into the rivet with the aforementioned hex wrench. This gives the chain breaker leverage. On the back of the chain breaker comes 4 common spoke wrenches for wheel truing or just to make sure your spokes are tight before a ride. The 4 sizes are number 0, 1, 2, and 3. To hold the 2 tools together, the multi-tool comes with an absolutely amazing case. It is smooth and made well. It has magnets at the end to make a nice, secure clicking sound when you know the tool is in place. It even manages to pack more uses than you would expect. For one, you can clip this to the wrenches to even add more leverage and make it more comfortable. The case also provides a cover for the hexes so they don't poke out into your pockets. But the most useful thing about this case has to be its bottle opener on one side. The F15 definitely comes at a cost though, a $44 cost. If you just want the hex tool without the chain breaker or spoke wrenches, you could get the F10 for $14 less. But that doesn't even come with the case. To add the case, you'll have to get the F10 Plus for another $4. But these aren't worth it as it doesn't come with the important chain breaker. So just spend the money because this is one of the best multi-tools out there. But with so many uses for such a small tool, it is definitely worth it. This tool has a permanent home in my pack. Do me a huge favor and make sure the red button down below is gray. Now that you're subscribed, you might as well check out all my other videos in the playlist down below. But most importantly, have the best day ever.